In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a location in Google Maps. Saving places in Google Maps is really useful if you want quick access to your home, work, favorite restaurant, or any location you visit often. Once a place is saved, you don't have to type the full address every time. It will be just a tap away. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your saved places stay linked to you and can show up on any device where you're logged in. Now let's find the place you want to save. At the top of the screen, tap on the search bar and type the name of the place or its address. As you type, Google Maps will suggest locations. When you see the correct one in the list, tap on it. The map will move to that spot, and a small panel with details about the place will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that bottom panel to expand it and see more details. Here, you'll see information like the address, photos, and reviews. Look for the option that says Save. Go ahead and tap Save. When you tap Save, Google Maps will show you different lists you can use, like Favorites, Want to Go, and Starred Places. Choose the list that makes the most sense for this location. For example, you might add a restaurant to Favorites, or a place you're planning to visit to Want to Go. If you want to stay organized, try to use these lists consistently so it's easy to find things later. After you select the list, the location is now saved. You'll see a small confirmation on the screen, and on the map, a special icon will appear so you can easily spot it next time you browse around that area. To quickly find this place again in the future, open Google Maps and tap on the Save tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see all your lists, like Favorites and Want to Go. Tap on the list where you saved the location, and you'll see it right there. Tap the place and you can start navigation, see directions, or check details instantly. That's all there is to it. By saving locations in Google Maps, you make it much faster to get directions and keep track of all the places that matter to you.